We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Desk-Kinetic-Toys Cool Gadgets for Fidget by Samisolar. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, using it supports the channel. The Desk-Kinetic-Toys Fidget Sphere is designed as a compact, high-quality kinetic toy for adults, teens, and children. Crafted from aluminum metal and precisely machined by CNC, it features a high-quality bearing that allows it to spin for up to 180 seconds. At just 1.5 inches in diameter and weighing 2.6 ounces, it is both portable and substantial, offering a satisfying heft in the hand. The toy's primary purpose is to provide stress relief, enhance focus, and offer a moment of relaxation during work, study, or downtime. It is marketed as a versatile item suitable for office, school, or home use, and is also positioned as an ideal gift for various occasions, including Christmas and birthdays. From the wealth of user feedback, one of the most praised aspects of the Desk-Kinetic-Toys Sphere is its build quality. Reviewers consistently note that the product is sturdier than expected, with a solid metal construction that withstands accidental drops without chipping or breaking. The flat bottom design ensures the sphere sits securely on a desk or table and spins smoothly without tipping over easily. Many users mention dropping the sphere on hard surfaces, such as hardwood floors, and are impressed by its resilience and lack of damage, which speaks to the durability of the materials and manufacturing process. Aesthetically, the toy receives high marks for its appearance. Users describe it as pretty, sparkling in sunlight, and exactly as pictured in product images. Its visual appeal is further enhanced by the hypnotic optical illusion created when spinning. The full-body optical effect is described as almost magical, drawing the eye and providing a calming visual stimulus. This makes the toy not only functional, but also a conversation piece and a decorative item for any workspace or home environment. In terms of performance, the Desk-Kinetic-Toys Sphere is lauded for its long spin time, with many users confirming that it spins for a surprisingly long duration, often close to the advertised 180 seconds. The spinning action is smooth, and the bearing quality is evident in the consistent, stable rotation. Several reviewers mention the satisfying tactile sensation of spinning the sphere, whether using it during meetings, while thinking, or simply to pass the time. The toy's size is highlighted as perfect for the hand, making it comfortable to hold, spin, and interact with during moments of restlessness or stress. The practical benefits of the Desk-Kinetic-Toys Sphere are a recurring theme in user reviews. Many adults report using it at their desks during work to calm nerves, maintain focus, or manage anxiety during stressful periods, such as morning work huddles or problem-solving sessions. The sphere's ability to provide a physical outlet for nervous energy is appreciated by individuals who fidget or struggle to remain still during long periods of concentration. Some users specifically mention using the toy to help with stress relief, describing it as a helpful tool for managing tension and promoting a sense of calm. Parents and gift givers also find value in the Desk-Kinetic-Toys Sphere. It is frequently purchased as a stocking stuffer or small gift for children and teens who enjoy fidgeting or require sensory input to stay focused. The toy's durability and appealing design make it a popular choice for younger users, and several reviews recommend it for ages ranging from 7 to 21. The sphere's ability to withstand rough handling and its attractive appearance make it suitable for both children and adults, bridging the gap between playful gadget and professional desk accessory. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, some users note minor drawbacks. A few reviewers wish the sphere spun even more smoothly, indicating that while the bearing is of good quality, there is room for improvement in achieving an even more effortless spin. Others mention that the spinning action can slow down if the sides are caught by fingernails or other surfaces, though this is often described as part of the satisfying tactile experience rather than a significant flaw. Overall, the consensus is that the sphere spins decently and meets or exceeds expectations for a product in its category. Another point of feedback relates to the ease of spinning. While most users find the toy easy to operate, a small number report that it does not always spin as freely as they would like. This may be due to individual preferences or variations in manufacturing, but it does not appear to detract significantly from the overall enjoyment of the product. The majority of users express satisfaction with the performance and find the spinning action to be both entertaining and soothing. The Desk-Kinetic-Toys Sphere is also recognized for its versatility as a gift. Its unique combination of form and function makes it suitable for a wide range of recipients, from colleagues and friends to family members and children. The hypnotic optical illusion and high-quality finish give it a premium feel, making it a thoughtful and memorable present for occasions such as birthdays, holidays, or as a token of appreciation. Reviewers appreciate the attention to detail in the design and the fact that each unit is built to last, reinforcing the perception of value for money. In terms of usability, the toy is praised for its simplicity. There are no complex mechanisms or instructions, simply place the sphere on a flat surface and give it a spin. This ease of use makes it accessible to people of all ages and abilities, and the immediate visual feedback from the spinning motion provides instant gratification. The toy's compact size ensures it can be carried in a bag, placed on a desk, or stored in a drawer when not in use, adding to its convenience and appeal. The Desk-Kinetic-Toys sphere also finds a place in group settings. Some users report giving the toy to friends or colleagues at work, where it becomes a shared tool for stress relief and focus during collaborative problem-solving or brainstorming sessions. Its presence on a desk can serve as a subtle reminder to take breaks, relax, and refocus, contributing to a healthier and more productive work environment. From a technical perspective, the product's specifications align with user expectations. The 1.5-inch diameter and 2.6-ounce weight strike a balance between portability and substance, while the aluminum construction and CNC machining ensure precision and durability. The high-quality bearing is a standout feature, supporting extended spin times and smooth motion. The toy's ranking as a bestseller in the fidget spinner category, and its high average customer rating further attest to its popularity and performance. In summary, the Desk-Kinetic-Toys Cool Gadgets for Fidget by Samisolar is widely regarded as a well-made, visually appealing, and highly functional kinetic toy. Its primary strengths include robust construction, long spin time, attractive design, and versatility as both a personal tool and a gift. Users appreciate its ability to provide stress relief, enhance focus, and offer a moment of relaxation in various settings. While there are minor suggestions for smoother spinning, these do not detract from the overall positive experience reported by the majority of users. If you are seeking a durable, aesthetically pleasing fidget toy that combines tactile satisfaction with visual intrigue, the Desk-Kinetic-Toys sphere is a strong contender. Its simplicity, quality, and effectiveness make it a valuable addition to any desk, classroom, or home. Remember, if you have this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description, using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you detailed product reviews.